Autonomous robots could seriously take us straight into World War III, and once these reckless machines are unleashed, the damage is going to be unimaginable. Both the US and China are pushing hard to build these things, throwing billions of dollars at the effort. To put things into perspective and show you where we stand, I thought I'd give you a quick rundown of what's going on at the strategic level. So, let's begin. So first things first, why is everyone talking about China's robots as a game changer for a possible global conflict? Well, for one thing, China has been rapidly advancing its robotics technology, and we're seeing robot canines, humanoid robots, and even ocean-based machines that can do everything from carry supplies to wage war. The People's Liberation Army is reportedly gearing up for a possible invasion of Taiwan by 2027, coinciding with their 100th anniversary. In response, the US is pouring a ton of resources into military AI and robotics to keep its tech lead. WW3 has launched the B2W robot dog, which can do somersaults, climb mountains, and even carry a person on its back. With wheels on each leg, it can quickly move over tough terrain, making it perfect for combat situations. Then there's the Black Panther robot dog, developed by Jitchun University with Mirror-Me, which can run 100 meters in under 10 seconds, faster than Usain Bolt's top speed of 9.58 seconds. It's got carbon fiber shins and special running shoes to boost its speed and traction. Plus, it adjusts its movement to different terrains using smart AI. Hoodoo Robotics also introduced the D9 humanoid robot, standing 5.57 feet tall and able to carry up to 44 pounds. It can walk at 4.5 miles per hour, climb stairs and slopes, and perform tasks like cleaning floors and stocking shelves. With advanced AI, it can interact naturally with humans. The D9's price tag is expected to fall between $20,000 and $30,000 US. Over at AI Bot or Zan Robotics, they started production in early 2023, and by late 2024 they had nearly 1,000 humanoid robots in operation. These bots are working across industries, doing everything from assembly line work to testing components. At CES 2025 in Las Vegas, Chinese companies showed off some serious robotic innovations, with about a quarter of the 4,500 exhibitors coming from China. Among the highlights were quadrupled robots like Unitree's G1 humanoid and AI companions, plus cleaning bots, lawnmowers, and industrial tools. Big companies like Hisense and TCL also showcased their AI tech, bridging everything from TVs to AR glasses. These robots are also finding their way into military use. There have been reports of robot dogs being tested for policing and inspection roles. In Beijing, one robot dog was used to crawl through cable tunnels to look for malfunctions and fix small issues. In another city near the Three Gorges Dam, police tested an WW3 model to help catch suspects. There was even a robot dog with a rifle that was tested during joint maneuvers with foreign militaries, hinting at potential military uses. In the US, the Department of Defense, or DoD, put $1.8 billion into AI research for fiscal year 2023, and even more funding funneled through projects like the Joint Artificial Intelligence Center and DARPA's $3.5 billion AI Next initiative. The goal is clear: develop autonomous systems that can work alongside humans. That's why we're seeing projects like the Next Generation Combat Vehicle, or NGCVs, and Loyal Wingman drones, which focus on human-machine collaboration. The DoD's budget also includes funding for autonomous swarms and AI-driven cyber warfare tools, pointing to a shift toward more automated and advanced combat systems. China, on the other hand, reported spending $230 billion on defense in 2023, but that number doesn't tell the full story. Through its military-civil fusion strategy, China taps into the private sector, think tech giants like Baidu and DJI, to speed up AI and robotics development. Their focus is on achieving breakthroughs in autonomous decision-making and swarm robotics. The Chinese government's Intelligized Warfare Plan, which was laid out in the 2019 National Defense White Paper, gives AI systems top priority. It's estimated that China spends around $10 to $15 billion a year on military AI. With programs like the AI for Military 2025 plan, China is positioning itself to lead the world in AI-driven warfare technologies. Let's take some time to compare the real autonomous warfare technologies currently on both sides of the spectrum. The US has developed the XQ-58A Valkyrie, a stealthy AI-enabled loyal wingman drone with a range of over 3,000 miles, designed to support manned fighters like the F-35 in reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and strike missions. The Sea Hunter, an autonomous submarine hunting ship, operates for months without a crew and costs around $20 million, bolstering anti-submarine warfare capabilities. The Robotic Combat Vehicle, a family of unmanned ground vehicles integrated with the NGCV program, is equipped with anti-tank missiles and sensors for frontline support. Project Maven, an AI-driven image analysis system, processes drone footage to identify targets in conflict zones, though human operators retain final strike authority. On the other hand, China has developed lightweight unmanned ground vehicles like the Sharp Claw II, which are armed with machine guns and grenade launchers for urban combat and reconnaissance. The Wing Long 2, a medium-altitude, long-endurance drone, can carry up to 12 air-to-surface missiles and is exported to the Middle East and Africa. The Anjian and Dark Sword is a stealth, unmanned combat aerial vehicle with supersonic capabilities, which rivals the US X-47B. China also deploys Blowfish A3 armed quadcopter drones in swarms for surveillance and precision strikes. Recent breakthroughs include US advancements like DARPA's ACE program, which saw AI defeat human pilots in simulated dogfights, paving the way for AI co-pilots in the F-16 Fighting Falcon by 2024. Boston Dynamics Atlas robots have evolved into capable bipedal robots for complex logistics tasks, with potential military applications. The Skyborg AI system allows for autonomous coordination of over 100 UAVs. Meanwhile, China has integrated AI into hypersonic glide vehicles like the DF-ZF for real-time trajectory adjustments, retrofitted legacy tanks with autonomous targeting systems in the Type 59 program, and demonstrated drone swarms of over 1,000 units capable of overwhelming air defenses. The use of autonomous systems could totally change how conflicts play out. With AI-powered data processing, strikes could happen in minutes compared to the hours it takes in traditional warfare. Take drones like the Valkyrie or Wing Long 2. These could take out an airbase's defenses before manned planes even have a chance to engage. Imagine mass drone swarms, maybe even 1,000 units, causing $500 million to $1 billion in damage to things like power grids or radar sites within hours, just like we've seen in US wargame simulations. Then there are the unmanned ground vehicles like the RCV or Sharp Claw, which could cut infantry casualties by 30 to 50% during urban assaults. But while these systems offer advantages, they also come with big concerns. There's the risk of collateral damage. If target recognition AI messes up, it could mistake civilians for targets, leading to more civilian casualties. A scary example of this happened in the 2020 Libyan conflict, where a Turkish drone went rogue and attacked human targets on its own, setting a dangerous precedent. And let's not forget about the autonomous submarines like the Sea Hunter, which could go after key maritime assets like ports or oil tankers. That kind of action could disrupt global trade and throw economies into chaos. The US and China are pursuing divergent paths. The US emphasizes human-AI collaboration and ethical frameworks, while China prioritizes scale and integration of commercial tech. The damage potential of these systems is profound, combining rapid kinetic strikes with cyber and psychological disruption. As the line between human and machine blurs, the future of warfare hangs on balancing strategic advantage with global stability.